You're taking a video, stupid. Okay, that's enough.
Yeah. Play with it. Slappy.
I'm now
Wait. No. Please don't. I'm pretty sure my feet. No. I wouldn't do that. Do you still have that video of us doing the Glozell thing? It's on Facebook.
IDK broski. Okay.
You're an idiot.
Okay, stop. Why are you so obnoxious?
My leg. This is gonna This is gonna resurface one day and bite us in the butt. She's totally gonna use this against us.
Yeah, it will. Are you kidding?
Ew, that's so creepy.
It is really creepy.
Do it again.
Sydney, stop. Oh my god, stop. Why